Hey everyone, this is a quick video, so let's jump right in. I found a super useful project file on Gumroad by Dan Moves that helps you animate a ball climbing stairs in After Effects. And get this, you don't need any animation experience to make it work. Normally Joe would animate this kind of thing himself, but we thought it'd be awesome to share this with all of you who might not be as experienced with animation, or maybe you've got a tricky client to deal with and need a quick solution. You can download the project file using the link in the description below. It's a huge time saver, and Dan Moves really nailed it with this one. So, if you're looking for an easy way to animate a ball climbing stairs in After Effects, check out the link below and grab that file. Hope it helps you out, and thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, I also have a Gumroad page. You can check out my products through the link below as well. I'll be having a very special sale soon for all my products over Christmas, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that like button and subscribe. New video every Friday.